What's up, YouTube? I'm going to be replacing this bag here. It's the 22-inch rolling tote by Maximum. It's supposed to be like the same, I guess, as the Husky. And I've had a few issues with it. Zipper doesn't work, and this is the replacement bag I got. Would I recommend this bag? Not at this time. I don't think it's for one, Canadian, I spent $240 on it, and it on the first one I ripped the this little strap here, pulling it out of the truck, and then now the zipper doesn't work, and now it's starting to rip on the top sleeve here. But I'll show you that all as I empty it. So I just decided to try something new. I ended up buying the packout. So I'll be transferring everything over to this one. So I will unpack this and I'll put it all in there, and I'll show you guys in a bit. Well, there it is. It's all folded up. The stuff for when I leave. Got all my. That's all to pay for it, but that's all impacts. I got my impacts in there. My impact sockets. Some tape. All the other stuff there. Writing utensils, pens and stuff I need in there. Got a little bit of room there left for other stuff. My temperature gun right there. Got a little empty pocket there. I'm pretty sure I can think of other stuff to put in here that I'm going to need at the job, but I'll figure that out before I leave. And all my wrenches and stuff in there. Yeah. Got a little bit of contracting stuff in here too when I build stuff and all that stuff. Just the basic pack. Essentials that I'm going to need when, not running back to this container where the rest of my tools are. You see there's cabinet after cabinet in there, and look at my electrical. But that's it. Yeah, I'll show you the bottom box there. What else I got here? Right there. All the other stuff. Anyhow, it's got the basic stuff in here. So clamps, router, some sealers and stuff like that, my Forstner bits, had these forever, dry line, stuff like that. But that is it. Pretty happy with this. Should last a lot longer than those soft cases. But we'll still got to get my levels in there. These are all myself. Levelers, got a DeWalt and a Hoopar there, and then still have my tool belt, so when I need tools I'll just keep the essentials in there for building. But other than that, talk to you guys and I'll see you on the next video.